Hi, I'm Anthonia Ogadele. I'm the founder of Ethos Lab, and we exist to empower youth to transform community and shift culture. Today we had our AI coding workshop. So we had a number of young people come in and access the Cortic technologies to be able to actually do AI coding for themselves. At Ethos Lab, we believe that youth should be creators and not consumers. And the Cortic technology allows them to be creators of their own future. Artificial intelligence is something that's a part of our lives. And so them being here and being able to access this technology in an easy way allows them to be able to build into the future and create the spaces that they want. If someone were to ask Ethos Lab if they should also try out Cortic technology, I would say absolutely. I really appreciate the thought that has gone into Cortic's approach that ensures that information is localized so that it's not shared and not something that ends up infringing on the youth's privacy, but it gives them enough space and information to be able to play with. They were able to test out and understand the impacts of facial recognition in our society and really critically understand that, but then also understand the back end and be able to design something for themselves as well. I think they got a lot out of it.